Let's learn about the Aeonmed VG70 ICU ventilator today, including its features, specifications, price, warranty, and more. All about Aeonmed VG70 ICU ventilator. It is a turbine subacute ICU ventilator. It is CE marked. Target is middle and high-class market. It has comprehensive functionality, a user-friendly design. It is full of high-quality, reliable treatment options for the clinician. Let's learn about Aeonmed VG70 ICU ventilators. Firstly, it is hybrid ventilator. The VG70 combines invasive and non-invasive ventilation modes. Secondly, it has comprehensive ventilation modes. It supports various ventilation modes including volume-controlled ventilation, VCV, pressure-controlled ventilation, PCV, and many more. Thirdly, it has turbine-driven system. It uses a turbine-driven system, providing powerful airflow without the need for an external air source. Learn about the warranty of Aeonmed VG70 ICU ventilators. If you buy directly from the market, you may get without warranty or a maximum of up to 1 year. But if you buy from us, as direct importer, Docneer provides best quality Aeonmed VG70 ventilator at lowest price with maximum warranty in the market, which is up to 3 years warranty. How many accessories which comes with Aeonmed VG70 ventilators? When purchasing the Aeonmed VG70 ventilators directly from the importer, you can receive up to more than 20 plus accessories, whereas buying from the market typically includes only 10-12 accessories. The market price of Aeonmed VG70 ventilators is 7,50,000, but at Docneer Hospice Solutions we provide this product starting from 5 lakhs onwards. Where to buy Aeonmed VG70 ventilators? 1. Medical supply companies. 2. Online marketplaces. 3. Hospital supply distributors. Who are we? We are Docneer Hospice Solutions Private Limited, a company founded by alumni engineers from IIT Bombay and doctors from Aeonmed Delhi, and wholesale medical devices seller approved by the CDSCO, Government of India. We support hospitals and doctors by offering high-quality new and refurbished medical equipment at the lowest guaranteed prices across India. As direct importers, we sell directly to doctors, cutting out the long chain of distributors, dealers, and commission agents.